2023 Hyundai Elantra inline with the 1.6 turbo in it, and we straight pipe, as you should. So it's factory converter there, another one up there. And then that's where the resonator went right there. We cut the resonator off, put a piece of, looks like 2.5 in its place right there. Continuation of the rest of the existing pipe. And then he unbolted it earlier himself just to get us some sound. We just went ahead and cut the flange off and then ran all new 2.5 pipe out into a 4-inch single wall blue flame flat cut tip. I put it out towards the side, give it a little bit of a stance. Yeah, there it is right there. It's all 2.5 system with a 4-inch blue flame tip. So fully straight pipe. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, 2023 Hyundai Elantra inline. Go ahead. Sport mode now, guys. Loud. Here's sound decibels. Hit 116 a second ago. 14. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2023 Hyundai Elantra inline with the 1.6 turbo straight pipe, 4-inch blue flame